Enabling or disabling send read receipts and messages on the Galaxy S25 lets you control whether senders can see when you've read their messages. This is how it's done. Start by tapping the Home button to return to the home screen. Next, open the app drawer and tap on the Messages app. Once inside, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Messages settings from the list. Now find and tap on RCS Chats. On this screen, you'll see the Send Read Receipts option. Tap the toggle switch to turn it on or off depending on your preference. By default, this feature is enabled. Once you've made your selection, you can tap the back key to return to the Messages app or tap the Home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.